Hello. So today I think there won't be any hike or any trips. Yeah, there will be trip. I'm going to Gurbathan right now, and but there will be no hike or no trail something. Okay, so see you in the journey. Hi guys.
Yes.
See, I met my close friend Pratik after a long time. He left Siliguri
Yes.
for so silly reasons, but now we finally met. So yeah,
Yes.
after so long, oh,
After so long,
yeah,
long time.
oh, long time. La, bye bye. I'll exit my video.
Okay, nice.
So I just came here to my PG where I used to stay, and right now I'm going to the rooftop and I will show you everything. अम्पो बगैँचा भएको रहेछ। पहिला चाहिँ म टक्क ला फोन भिडियो भए न पहिला चाहिँ म यहाँ आउँथेँ होइन, यहाँ बस्थेँ, चेयर हुन्थ्यो, चेयरहरू देख्न सक्छु। आम्मा बिरालो त यो यसको मैले 2 पुस्ता अगाडिकोहरूलाई चाहिँ खेलाएको होइन। यस्तो चेयर लिएर टक्क यहाँ आई लभ गुरुबाथा धेरै बस्थेँ। टक्क गाना सुन्थेँ हो, गाना सुन्थेँ अनि त्यहाँबाट गाना गीत गाउँथेँ। टक्क यहाँबाट मान्छेहरू गएको हेर्थेँ। लाइफ थियो नि हो क्लास 11तिर त। त्यहाँबाट त्यहाँबाट यो बन्ने हो, यसको यो बिल्डिङ बन्ने हो हो। त्यहाँबाट यो बिल्डिङमा पनि जान्थेँ माथि। त्यहाँ पनि मेरै राज हुन्थ्यो। यहाँ कुकुरहरू हिँडिबस्छ बाटोमा होइन, अन्त कुकुरहरू रातभरि भुक्थ्यो। त्यो रातभरि भुक्दाखेरि म म्याथ प्र्याक्टिस गरिरहेको छु भने 3 बजीतिर निस्केर कुकुरहरूलाई खेदाउनु जान्थेँ। फर्स्ट हात्ती लाइफमा देखेको मैले यहीँ हो। ऊ त्यो केराको बोट, त्यहाँ जुन चाहिँ छ केराको बोट, त्यहाँ चाहिँ थियो। अन्त त्यो घरको माथिको छाना थिएन त्यति बेला, अन्त यस्तै फ्ल्याट थियो, टेरेसै थियो। अन्त त्यसको माथिबाट चाहिँ हेरेको हामीले, त्यहाँ मुनि चाहिँ एलिफेन्ट आएको। यत्रो ठुलो हुँदो रहेछ नि, यत्रो ठुलो टक्क यहाँ यो थिएन त्यतिखेर, नयाँ बनाउनु भएको हो। यहाँ लुगा सुकाउँथेँ टक्क कोही बेला खाना खाएर। अब यस्तै चराचुरुङ्गी हेरिबस्थेँ, स्प्यारो। यो घरहरू भर्खर बनिँदैछ, यो थिएन। टक्क यहाँबाट ऊ त्यता भिडियो हो, ए भिडियो छ। अन्त यस्तै थियो। द्याट्स हाउ माई पिजी डेज युज टु बी। द्याट्स हाउ माई क्लास 11 went on. Class 11 and 12 I used to stay here freely, just come to this terrace and feel the life. I used to see the moon every day, but right now there is no moon, and you can see. That's how I change. That's how I used to live before, but right now I don't stay here, but I still miss it. Auntie, namaste. अन्त जुन चाहिँ म पिजी बस्छु होइन, फुल छ जहाँ चाहिँ म पिजी बस्छु त्यहाँको अङ्कल आन्टीलाई चाहिँ पुरा एकदम पेट लभर्सहरू हो। अन्त उल्टाको ब्ल्याक एन्ड वाइट हुने चाहिँ ऊ त्यो हो, त्यसको नाम भालु हो। अन्त यहाँ पुरा बिरालोहरू पनि छ हो, तर बिरालोहरू चाहिँ कहिल्यै छेउमा आएन। Only in winters they used to come under my blanket, and when I used to go there, when I used to go close to them, they never came. खालि भएको थियो जहिले पनि। भेरी मच सेल्फिस, मलाई मन पर्दैन बिरालो, त्यसले गर्दा। अदर नथिङ एल्स। यो घर यस्तै थियो अन्त एकचोटि चाहिँ आएको थियो हात्ती आलीमा यहीँबाट ऊ त्यो घरबाट हेरेको त्यति बेला चाहिँ तर अहिले त्यो घर पनि बेच्यो अरूलाई बेच्यो हो अन्त केही छैन अहिले चाहिँ यतिको हो कुकुर भुकेको जति भुक्दैछ त्यति बेला पनि त्यही थियो भुकाइ यहाँको भेटनेरी मैले फर्स्ट टाइम लाइफमा बियरको बच्चा देखेको भनेको यहीँ हो भालुको बच्चा मृग कहिले मृग देखेको छैन मैले नेभर सिन डियर इन माई लाइफ एन्ड अदर थिङ्स आई डोन्ट थिङ्क आई हेभ सिन एनिथिङ एल्स सो या द्याट्स हाउ एभ्रिथिङ वेन्ट अन
Hello guys, my name is Pratik. Like, I am friend of our blessed blogger Harish Rai.
टक्क आतिर
And I have a special message for you guys.
ओके
Please like and subscribe his channel so you never miss his fantastic vlogs. You have to, of course, you have to never miss it. So subscribe it, like and subscribe that button and make it white.
ओ
So you guys can never miss it.
मेक इट
And
वाइट
also,
मेक इट वाइट
I white isn't
Eh.
And also press that bell icon so you never miss his latest of vlogs. So okay guys.
टेल मी अबाउट
That's
यर
all.
ड्रिप टेल मी अबाउट यर ड्रिप
Okay, dude.
ड्रिप भनेको लुगा हो
Yeah. के भन्नु मलाई
टक्क हाउ मच द्याट कस्ट
clothes. This costs 3,000
एन्ड
and this also costs 3,000. This also costs 3,000. I got it from this nearby stores. They are from China, so don't worry guys. It's not branded.
के हुँदैन मामा हल्का सिनेमेटिक टक्क त्यतिकै बस पोज अझै भाषा पोर्ट्रेट गर 10 साल बादको लागि चाहिँ नि तेरो अहिले करेन्ट के प्रब्लमहरू छ त्यो भन्दै
के problem?
तँलाई के प्रब्लम फेस गर्दैछस् त्यो भन्दै
प्रब्लमहरू अहिले नै एङ्जाइटी छ मलाई हो अरू स्ट्रगल गर्दैछु करियर बनाउनु 10 साल बाद पनि त्यस्तै छ ठिक
This place is very much beautiful in my eyes. I don't know in yours, but I love this place a lot.
cold breezing wind cold breezing wind with beautiful birds tiny birds अनि beautiful view of mountains
Yeah.
and hills
Yes.
and little bit of sunshine
Sunshine.
sunshine breathing of a sun you can see little bit of foggy this is not fog by me, this is dust but it makes beautiful
Anyone. Come on, drop some more.
that foggy is reflecting the sunlights making it more beautiful
Yes. त्यतै हो ऊ चाल पाएँ मैले
and suparis
सुपारिस एन्ड
and
टावर
वाह यहाँ यसरी बन्नु सक्दिनँ म
Today there will be only clips of pictures of mountains everywhere. That not mountain, more like mountain. I don't know. So this is the Titanic viewpoint, and I really it's like a plateau above Gurbathan. It's like a plateau above a different land. I don't know how should I say, but yeah. There it's written हाम्रो गोरुबथान अन्त मान्छेहरू रहेछ हो बस तिनीहरूलाई नदेखाऊँ यो यतिको हुनु पऱ्यो नि त Now I will do a carousel and make a good clips of 4K. No, clips.
त्यतिको छेउछेउमा हिँड्छ हल्का टाढो टाढो अझै 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 कुद 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 टाढो टाढो बस भाइ So I was vlogging there from the start of this place. It's very nice actually, and we met our friend, one of our friend, and she was like, "Aishwaraj, hai na?" And I said, "No." She recognized me from the far and, "Kyo vlogging गर्दैछ?" आछे हैन क्यो क्यो vlogging गर्दैछ क्या भने vlogger भयो क्या भने yes भन्दै त्यहाँबाट कुद्दै कुद्दै आए मजा आयो
Top blogger.
no top vlogger no
Famous blogger.
famous no not famous
Superstar.
maybe
blogger.
famous because I got that like
One
जन्नत
like,
सजाय
1K like 22 million views.
अच्छा
22 million views.
22 million views त sorry रड्डी
22K.
22K views yeah.
Very
Anyways.
Nice.
breeze yeah cool breeze yeah
Cool breeze. Just look at that flags. Yeah.
I used to come every day with my friends here in this place on 1st of January, but this year I couldn't come because my mother was sick and everyone was busy. Everyone was in Gurbathan, so maybe next year, yeah, we will come here again. Anyways, I will show you the view. We are on the top of this. It's a plateau, by the way, but I will show the town part. So there you can, there is facilities for tents and all. You can stay there. There's that Chel Khola. Then actually it's like this, and it's covered in mountains and all. There are some flags and there is beetle ground farming, and they farm something there, crops, some kind of crops, I don't know. And there's the way that we came from. सानो मेला त्यहाँबाट त्यो बाटो आउँछौँ यस्तो आएर then right from that road we like that from here, then there is Jhandi on that side, famous place Jhandi, and Samabyung is that on that side. Hamro Gorbathan, the name of this place is Gorbathan. Hamro means Hamro. There's my friend trying to do something, trying to play. So right now we are returning home and it's very much windy. Here's my squad today. Hi captain. Jo. Pratik, what do you want to say?
Today was a very nice day.
Yeah.
I had fun with my bro. And that much, and also I don't know what to say now. I really had fun. So what do you feel about it today?
I feel very much good about this place. Every time I come here, it's like I feel like home here. I feel like my home is here.
Second home.
Yeah, second home, because there is so many memories in this place, in whole Gurbathan. I've studied there for only 4 years, but still it feels like I was a part of Gurbathan ever since I came here. And someday I'll definitely make a house in Gurbathan.
Yes.
Just note it down.
Then,
Today's date,
yeah.
14 January.
14 January.
14 January.
And I will be in their block.
Ow.
And we will have a fun dance.
Fun.
With our other gangs.
Yes, with our other gangs too.
They are missing lots of our gangs.
Yeah,
members.
we are missing a lot of my friends.
Yes.
Zoom. Kako.
Bye bye.
Yes.
Any last words?
Like and subscribe.
So we returned from Gorbathan, and right now we are at a small stall in Odlabadi, and it was so cold on the bike, and yeah, that's how the day went. So bye bye.